So am I being detained right now?
Yes.
Okay. I don't want to answer any questions about my attorney present.
Would you like somebody to steal your car?
Do you like someone to violate your rights? I don't answer any further questions, sir.
Why are you giving me a hard time?
I do have weapons in the car, so I just want to make you aware of that.
Okay, what kind of, where are they?
I don't want to answer any further questions. I just want to let you know, so.
Okay.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. James Madison Audits was a former law enforcement officer, now turned activist.
You're not planning a terrorist attack or anything, are you?
Are you planning to get hurt in your car without a seatbelt on?
You know, with all the political stuff going on.
This day and age, right? As you're gonna say, this day and age. Okay. What other buzzwords do you have for this day and age with this current climate?
I mean, with everything with Iran and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. All right. Don't forget that seatbelt. Was it 316-614?
In March of 2022, he was cop watching and heard over his scanner that two agencies were working together to find suspected car thieves. And as he drove through the area, he was stopped at a roadblock.
Yo, what's going on?
How's it going?
Good, what kind of call you guys going on? Juveniles breaking into cars?
Yep.
Oh, cool. Is that closed down here?
Yeah, we have this whole area kind of blocked off right now.
So you're working in here. I can still go that way, right? What's the...
I mean, all the streets are kind of like, but yeah, I mean, we can.
Okay, I just didn't know.
After being let through by the first officer, he found himself at another roadblock. However, the second officer, Jack Ransom, wasn't as interested in allowing JMA to travel freely through his post.
Hello.
Hey, what's going on?
You have to go left, my man.
I can't go left. Your car's blocked all there.
Huh?
I can go around here.
You can go around me. Yeah, nobody in there?
I got the ski mask. I mean,
Where's that from?
my headrest.
Huh?
My headrest.
Okay. You live around here?
Nah, I don't answer any questions, man. Why is that? I just don't. You're a cop. You collect evidence and stuff like that. You free to go?
Where are you coming from? No, you're...
Back that way.
Huh?
Back that way.
Okay. Why are you not answering my questions?
I just don't answer any questions. Am I not
We're
allowed
here
to?
for an investigation, so you're coming from the general area where all this shenanigans is going on, so...
Yeah. So am I being detained right now?
Yes.
Okay. I don't want to answer any questions about my attorney present.
Okay. Why are you giving me a hard time?
A hard time is invoking my rights?
You're right, you are invoking your rights, but why are you giving me a hard time?
Nothing. I came here, I have my signal on, I'm abiding by traffic. You told me to go left. I thought I couldn't go because of the lights, and I just don't know if I'm violating any rights now, so I don't want to answer any questions.
Okay. Well, like I said, we're here for a crime that's going on.
Yeah, of course, yeah. I mean, there's a helicopter up here that's Air One, and you got Port Orange, Daytona Beach Shores. It seems pretty serious. I think I heard on the radio that there's juveniles running around.
What radio?
I do have weapons in the car, so I just want to make you aware of that.
Okay, what kind of, where are they?
I don't want to answer any further questions. I just want to let you know, so.
Okay. You're not free to go right now, right? Hang out until I get some radio.
I wouldn't call it in, but that's all right.
Huh?
I wouldn't call it in. I'm out here filming this, man. I'm out here filming. I do documentation for filming.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
No, I don't.
Why is that?
Because I don't have my ID on me. I'm not breaking any laws.
What?
I'm not breaking any laws. I don't have anything on me.
Okay. You got a police scanner in your car.
Yeah, everybody has a police scanner. It's an app. I have the exact location where the helicopter is too. So you can check it out right here. I feel like I'm being unlawfully detained right now.
You're not being unlawfully detained.
Let me just finish so that I can give you the explanation here. I've got a scanner in my car. I've got that. I told you I'm filming. I don't want to answer most of your questions. That's pretty much all I want to answer. And that's pretty much it. So, I mean,
Car registered to you?
I don't answer any further questions, sir.
Why are you giving me a hard time?
Again, I
You
want
want
to just...
your car to be broken into?
No, I mean, listen, I'm not...
You got a nice car, right?
Oh, I think so. Maybe. I don't know.
Do you like somebody to steal your car?
Do you like someone to violate your rights and then tell you that you're giving them a hard time because you are out here just not wanting to answer questions and invoking their rights?
Okay. You are giving me a hard time.
Why is that a hard time?
We are here investigating a crime. You are coming from the general area.
You're not here investigating a crime. You're here supporting them while sitting on a perimeter is what you're doing while
Supporting
the helicopter's
who?
up.
Supporting who?
Port Orange, Port Orange Police Department. You work in Daytona Beach Shores. This is
The event occurred in my city.
Okay. Well, you must have a pursuit.
You must know what you're doing, huh?
What's that?
So you must know what you're doing, huh?
What do you mean, huh? I mean, invoking my rights is giving you a hard time? I don't get it.
Well, now you say you have weapons in the car, you got a ski mask, you got a police scanner, you give me a hard time.
I have that on my seat cover. I told you where it is. It sits
Man.
You think anybody ever, a clue, robs a bank with an orange ski mask or anything like that? No one robbed a bank, did they? I mean, I'm not admitting to a crime. I'm just saying that seems pretty silly. I'll sit here with you all night long. You got your earpiece in. I can't hear the radio. This is like a minute and a half delay.
You hear the radio.
No, it's 2 minutes late. It's 2 minutes behind. It sucks.
Correct, it is.
Yeah.
Where are the weapons that are in your car?
I don't answer any further questions.
Safety in yours.
I don't answer any questions, sir. I don't have to answer that question, do I?
Is this for Instagram or something? Or
No. Am I required to answer those questions? You've already detained me. You held me here, told me to put it in park. I feel like this is a full detention. As you already said, I'm not free to go, so.
Right, give me 1 second. Hang out.
Am I free to go?
No, you're not free to go.
Okay.
When the officer returns, he lets JMA go, refusing to let him stay for his safety, though he wasn't worried about his safety for the time that JMA was unlawfully detained.
Then you're free to go. Make a left-hand turn.
Okay. Am I free to stay here for just a second?
No, you need to get out of here.
Why do I need to get out of here?
For your safety.
I don't have you...
Do not be difficult with me.
What, are you going to arrest me?
I don't have a reason to arrest you.
What do you mean difficult?
You're interfering with our investigation.
You tell me I'm interfering in your investigation. I'm out here doing a news story out here and documenting what's going on in the city here. I want to explain to you something really quick. I want you to tread a little bit lighter. If you want to violate my rights here, I will take action in it. You are violating my rights already by detaining me. I don't want to answer your questions. You have probable cause to stop me because I'm coming from an area. There's probably about 750 residents through here. You're going to stop everybody and question them like this that comes through? Are you? That's really good.
You're investigating a crime.
What do you think, what kind of crime do you think you're investigating with me, though?
You're coming from the area where the car break occurred, which is what we are here.
I thought you said the car break occurred in Daytona Beach Shores. We're nowhere near.
Ended up here.
This is Daytona Beach Shores, which is where the alleged crime occurred, and this is the neighborhood where the interaction is currently taking place. However, this is where the suspects were caught as JMA was detained.
Like you said, you think we're on a pursuit. You were detained for an investigation. You were coming from the immediate area where this crime essentially stopped at.
Okay.
People proceeded from.
Mm-hmm.
You were coming from the area.
Yep.
I detained you to identify you.
What, you're allowed to detain it?
Investigative purposes.
You understand what Florida Statute 901-151 stands for?
You're free to go.
Okay. I'm going to pull over here and do some video. And if you say that I'm investigating or I'm interfering with your investigation by filming, I'd hate to see you come across.
You can stand on down the road.
I can stand anywhere I want to, actually.
And film in a public place. You are free to do so.
This is a public place. I'm not obstructing any traffic right here.
As long as you're out of the roadway.
I can be in the roadway. There's no pedestrian law under the statutes.
You can't illegally park, stop, or stand in a vehicle on a roadway.
I can pull off the side of the road. I didn't say I want to stand
right. You can do that.
As long as there's no obstruction, check out.
Go.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I don't want to turn left because I got to make a sharp left-hand turn, and your little feet right there are standing next to me. I hate to give you a hard time. This is what people do, and I can't believe that you'll say someone's giving you a hard time for invoking their rights. The perimeter's been broke down about 2 minutes ago.
Like I said, you're free to go.
Well, then move.
I'm not in your way. You got plenty of room.
You're in my fucking way, dude.
Well, you don't have to swear at me.
You, get out of my way.
Not in your way.
See this right here? I can't get out of here. If I make a turn, your car's blocked right there. I'm going to hit your little feet, and you're going to be like, I'm going to charge you with battery on a Leo. Get your ass back in the car and move out of my way, man. Then I can leave. I can't go anywhere. I don't feel it's safe. That's a little bit smarter.
Free to go.
Thank you. You can write me a ticket if you want. I'm
not writing you a citation. You're free to go.
All right, I don't feel like...
Your fish to fry, my man.
No, you should have done it right.
You're free to go.
I can't really see, to be honest with you.
Because of their capture, the perimeter is now being broken down, and this officer is called to the scene to transport the suspects. Likewise, JMA made his way to the scene as well.
Right by the guy filming us.
Hey, what was your name and ID so I can document that?
I told you earlier.
I didn't catch it. I don't remember what you said.
Oh, it's on your camera, man.
Why you gotta be a fucking dude?
You said my name earlier.
What is your name?
Whenever you're done, if you just email them to me.
Yeah, we'll do. I'll see my email.
Yeah,
Are you Lawson?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
So what's your ID number?
You don't know whose cuffs these are, my man?
I don't know.
So what was your ID number?
Yeah, I got you.
What's your police ID number or badge number?
Just see it on the report, man.
I don't want to look up the report.
You already know.
No, I don't. I'm asking you right now. It's your policy. You detained me and now you don't want to give me any information?
SH509.
Thank you very much. How fucking hard is that, dude?
You're being hard with me?
I'm not being... asserting my rights is being hard with you? Learn your job. You don't have any idea what you're doing, do you? Don't you learn some respect to the public when they ask you questions?
James has a ton of videos from this area, some even featuring the same officer. So, be sure to check out his channel if you haven't already, but let me know what you think about the apparent widespread problem of officers not fully understanding the law or the fundamentals of the US Constitution. Granted, JMA was really only robbed of his time for this short detention, but when the very individuals entrusted with upholding our rights are the ones infringing upon them, it leads to a deep-rooted crisis of distrust in government. And despite the lack of authority held by the document, the values reflected in the Constitution should be the cornerstone of just policing, not an obstacle for law enforcement to try to weasel around. Leave your thoughts down below, and be sure to check out another story linked on screen.